Dear learners and viewers, welcome to online class. This is Muhammad Jahangir Alam, English teacher, Rampur High School, Hajiganj, Satpur. Dear learners, today I want to discuss right form of verbs from English second paper, and it is a class for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear learners, you know, for right form of verbs, we know subject verb agreement. In right form of verbs, subject verb agreement is a very important norm to know a right form of verbs. Dear learners, now what is subject verb agreement? Subject verb agreement is very essential for any student to know about right form of verbs. Actually, the relation between subject and verb is called subject verb agreement. In other way, we can discuss subject verb agreement. A verb in a sentence agrees with its subject according to person and number. This is subject verb agreement. Dear learners, actually verb is very important for a sentence, not only for a sentence, but also for English language. It is very important and very essential. Dear learners, we know that for subject and verb agreement, there is a fundamental rule of subject verb agreement. Look at the board. Plural verb. Dear learners, this is a fundamental rule for subject verb agreement. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. and it is very important for subject verb agreement. As for example, a boy is playing. Then some boys are playing. Then Mohin is meritorious. Then they are meritorious. Dear learners, look at the board and try to understand these examples. A boy is playing, some boys are playing. Mohin is meritorious, they are meritorious. If we analyze the first sentence, here the subject is singular. So, the verb is singular. And in the second sentence, some boys, dear learners, I think you know that this subject is plural, some boys. So, this subject takes verb plural, are is a plural verb. Dear learners, we know that there are some auxiliary verbs are singular in form and meaning. These auxiliary verbs place after a singular subject. These singular auxiliary verbs are am is a singular auxiliary verb. Am is a verb which is used both in singular and in plural. Am, is, was, has. These are singular auxiliary verbs, and are, were, have are plural auxiliary verbs. Dear learners, in these verbs there is a some exceptional uses. Am is a singular auxiliary verb, but I as a subject takes am after it as a verb. Though it is a I is a singular, am is fixed for always I. Then the rest of the auxiliary verbs are singular, and they are plural auxiliary verbs. Dear learners, I think here have is a plural auxiliary verbs, but it takes it places after subject I. Here it is an exceptional case. Dear learners, then I will discuss or focus on another rule for subject verb agreement. I think you have understood this rule very clearly. Dear learners, there are some subjects. There are some subjects which are singular in form, but plural in meaning. So this subject takes plural verb. As per example, the police, rule 2, the police be present there, but the policeman be present there. Dear learners, look at these examples. Here, the subject police. You may indicate this subject is singular, but in form it is singular. Actually, the subject is plural. So this subject this subject takes a plural verb. If we see be in the place of verb, we must use in place of be am, is, or are, or was, only were. Dear learners, the police is a plural subject. So it will take plural verb. As a be verb, we may use are or were. The learners, but in this sentence, there is a subject policeman, but it is a singular subject. So this subject will take singular verb. So here we may use is or was. These are the example for second rule. Dear learners, we may think, or we may say that if the subject is the subject is in form, it you may seem it is a singular subject, but in meaning it is plural subject. So it takes plural verb, and here it is a singular subject. So it will take singular verb. I think you have understood these rules, subject for subject verb agreement, and it is will very helpful for you to understand right form of verbs very clearly. Dear learners, next I will show you some example related to this example. The news be false, then economics my subject, then politics a business, then physics be a top subject. Dear learners, let me show you some examples. Dear learners, here the subject in form, it you may see this subject is plural, but it is not plural, it is singular subject. So here it will take singular subject. In this example, economics, it is a singular subject, but you may indicate this subject may be a plural, but it is not plural, it is singular subject. So this singular subject will take singular verb. That means we know be means am, is, are, was, or were. When we find be in a sentence, in correction or in time of solution, we may use here am, is, are, was, or were. Here politics, be a complex business, politics. Dear learners, you may, this subject may be a plural as it takes s after it, but it is not complex, it is a singular subject in meaning. But you may indicate this subject plural in form, but in meaning it is plural singular subject. So it will take singular verb. In the same way, physics dash physics be a top subject. Here physics in form you may indicate, or you may determine this subject as plural, but it is not plural. In meaning it is singular subject, so this subject will take singular verb. You may here we may use the news is false, economics is, politics is, here physics is. This rule number 3. There are some subjects. There are some subjects in form. In form, they are plural, but in meaning they are singular. So these subjects will take singular verb. So these are the examples for this rule. Dear learners, I think you have understood this topic very clearly. Dear learners, I will show you, now I will show you some examples for next rule, and I think you will very clearly understand this rule analyzing or following the example. Lily as well as her sisters. Her sisters has done well in the examination. Dear learners, here the subject is Lily as well as her sisters. It is a complex subject, and here you may find two subjects. So you think this subject is plural, but in English there is no plural. There it may be plural, but it takes singular subject. Now I will discuss why this subject will take singular verb. Here Lily as well as her sisters. Her sisters is a plural. Dear learners, you may think this subject is plural, so verb will be plural. There are some subjects which is connected by some words or conjunctions such as well as, or with, or along with, or accompanied by, or together with. With this conjunction, connect two subjects. After this subject, the verb will be used according to first subject. Here, Lily is a singular subject, so verb will be here singular. Though you may find here her sisters is plural, so the verb will be plural, but it is not correct. Correct will be this, as well as when, as well as, or with, or along with, or as well as, or accompanied by. This, when this conjunction connect two subjects, after this subject the verb will be determined according to first subject. So here Lily is singular, verb will be singular. Like this, I will show you another example. The headmaster along with the students has planted saplings along with. The learners notice here along with. This word connect two subjects, the headmaster and the students. We know as well as, along with, together with, or accompanied by. When this conjunction connects two subject or two word, after this subject the verb will be determined, will be fixed according to the first subject. The headmaster is a singular subject, so verb will be singular. From the in the very beginning, I showed you some singular and plural auxiliary verbs. I think you have understood this topic very clearly, or this rule very clearly. You must try to analyze or understand some other examples using like these conjunctions, and I think you will understand this topic very clearly. Dear learners, then I will show you some other rules and regulations and with examples to understand the subject verb agreement which will be very beneficial for you to understand a right form of verbs. Dear learners, here I will show you some examples connected two subjects by and. By and. Here number one example, Jamal and Kamal have gone their village. Gone their village. He and his brothers have arrived. The learners, here the verb is have. You must notice here that the subject is Jamal and Kamal connected by and. When two subject, when we find two subject connected by and, after this subject the verb will be plural. The verb will be plural. I think you have understood this rule. Number 3, she and I be the student of Dhaka University. Dhaka University. Here two subject, she and I connected by and. Here the verb will be plural. The verb will be are. Dear learners, in this case or and related two subjects, now I will show you some exceptional case in this regard. Dear learners, the headmaster and coming. Then the headmaster and the secretary be coming. Dear learners, here the two example. Here the subject is large. The subject is the headmaster and the secretary. When two subject connected by and, but this subject indicate one person or thing, this subject will take singular verb. But when this subject indicate different person or different thing, the subject will take plural verb. Then learners, now the question, how can we determine the same person or different person or thing? When two subject will take article, this subject will indicate that the headmaster and the secretary are different person. So this subject will take plural verb. When we will find one article the for both subject connected by and, we will determine that the two subject is the same person or thing. Here only one article, the, but here there is no article. So the headmaster and secretary is the same person. So this subject will take singular verb. Here the verb will be is, but here the verb will be are. Dear learners, I think you have understood this rule very clearly. Dear learners, for your better understanding, I will show you another example. The captain and the best player. Dash coming. Dear learners, What will be the verb for this gap? I think you have understood. What verb this gap will take? Here, the two subject, the captain and the best player. This subject indicates two different person, so this verb will be plural. We may use here are or were. Dear learners, now I will show you some exceptional case related to and. Now look at the board. Slow and steady wins the race. And another example, bread and butter is my favorite food. Then here the learners notice that here two subject is connected by and, but the verb is singular. These are the exceptional case in this example, and in this way it will be used here. Wins. Bread and butter is my favorite food, and slow and steady wins the race. Another exceptional example for you, dear learners, time and tide. Wait for none. Here two word is connected by and, but the verb is plural. These are the exceptional example or exceptional rule for subject verb agreement. Dear learners, for today I would like to terminate this class here. In the next class I will show you some other rules and regulations related to subject verb agreement, and it will be very helpful for you to understand the right form of verbs, and you must face the verb related different problems in the examination. Will face very clearly and easily. Dear learners, this is the class for today. Be safe and stay home. Thank you all.